Welcome to the grand opening of the SUNY Old Westbury OWC MakerSpace.
It gives a space for students as well as our faculty as they move from theory into praxis, theory into application. This is a place that anchors us, so it brings an added needed dimension.
I think the MakerSpace is like a great place for students to express their creativity, regardless of their field. You can be engineering, math, visual arts. You know, we have equipment that allows us to be creative.
So we say to our students, with the advent of this space, no longer do we want you to think expansively, we want you to act expansively and create the widgets, the kind of pieces that are associated with that. That's what makes us exciting.
It gives us access to technology that would take us to the next level.